Your child's safety isn't a place to guess. The wrong convertible car seat can mean awkward installs, poor fit, or outgrowing it too fast. Today on Cool Product, we're breaking down the best convertible car seats that truly grow with your child, so you buy once, install confidently, and drive with real peace of mind. If you're looking for one seat that truly does it all without taking over your back seat, the Evenflo All 4 Stages convertible car seat is a practical starting point. At just 16.9 inches wide, it's surprisingly slim and can fit 3 across in many vehicles. It transitions from rear-facing to forward-facing, then to high back and backless booster. The Secure Tight system noticeably reduces installation effort, and the 12-position headrest with no rethread harness adjusts smoothly as your child grows. Multiple recline options help fine-tune comfort and positioning. Its biggest strength is versatility in a narrow footprint. Families with multiple kids will appreciate the space savings. Installation is easier than many bulky seats, though the overall padding feels more functional than plush. It covers a wide weight range, but larger kids in booster mode may feel a bit snug. Still, for long-term value in tighter vehicles, it makes strong sense. Now things start to feel more premium with the UPPAbaby Rove convertible car seat. Designed for extended rear-facing up to 50 pounds, it clearly prioritizes safety and comfort. The QuickGuard installation system simplifies belt setup with spring-loaded lock-offs, and the Smart Secure indicator gives you a clear visual confirmation when tension is correct. Side impact pods, EPP foam layers, and a multi-directional tether add serious protection. At under 25 pounds, it's lighter than most in its class, making vehicle swaps easier. The standout here is build quality and thoughtful safety engineering. Everything feels refined and confidence-inspiring. The washable fabric with a zipper release is a lifesaver for real-world messes. It does sit at a higher price point, and while slim, it's not the narrowest option for 3 across setups. Even so, the balance of safety tech and everyday usability is impressive. But stepping further into all-in-one flexibility, the Chicco OneFit convertible car seat feels engineered for adaptability. It supports rear-facing from 5 pounds, includes a removable newborn positioner, and offers generous rear-facing legroom. The headrest height range is one of the rightest you'll find, making long-term use more realistic. Lever-lock self-tensioning technology helps achieve a secure forward-facing install with minimal effort. Fold-away, dishwasher-safe cup holders are a clever space-saving touch. Comfort and adjustability are major wins here. The seat feels supportive and thoughtfully padded, and the flame-retardant-free, clear-text fabrics add peace of mind. It is slightly heavier and can take up noticeable front-to-back space when rear-facing. Still, for parents who want room to grow without sacrificing safety features, it strikes a very confident middle ground. Here's where value and practicality really shine. The Safety First Grow and Go all-in-one convertible car seat covers rear-facing, forward-facing, and booster stages in a straightforward package. The quick-fit harness makes headrest and harness adjustments fast, which matters when you're juggling busy mornings. The seat pad is washer and dryer safe, and the cup holders go straight into the dishwasher, small details that make daily life easier. Removable Grow With Me pillows help achieve a snug fit early on. Its biggest advantage is user-friendliness at a family-friendly price. Cleaning is refreshingly simple, and adjustments don't require a manual every time. The recline options are more limited compared to higher-end models, and the overall cushioning isn't as premium. But for dependable safety coverage across multiple stages, it delivers excellent practicality. At the top of this list sits the Graco Extend 2-Fit convertible car seat, and it earns that position for one critical reason: extended rear-facing done right. With support up to 50 pounds rear-facing and a 4-position extension panel adding up to 5 extra inches of legroom, it makes keeping kids rear-facing longer actually realistic. The Protect Plus engineering is built around rigorous crash scenarios, and the Simply Safe Adjust system moves the headrest and harness together in one motion for seamless growth adjustments. The extension panel is the game changer. It gives growing kids space without forcing an early switch to forward-facing. Installation is generally straightforward, and long-term comfort is strong. It can feel a bit bulky in compact cars, and booster mode isn't as space-saving as slimmer designs. Even so, for safety-forward parents, this seat clearly prioritizes what matters most. If I had to choose one overall, I'd go with the Graco Extend 2-Fit. The ability to keep a child rear-facing longer, combined with smart adjustability and proven crash-focused engineering, gives it an edge in real-world safety and longevity. It's not the smallest seat, but the protection-to-value balance is hard to ignore. That said, families with tighter spaces or specific comfort preferences might lean toward another option here. Now I want to hear from you. Which convertible car seat would you trust in your car? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe to Cool Product, and check the links in the description for the latest deals. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.